you snore, then try massaging these acupressure points to overcome your snoring problem. Massaging these acupressure points will open up the airway in your nose and on your throat. So the first point that we have is 1 finger width. That's called the GV23 point. The next point is LI20 point, ST9 point, which is on the either side of your Adam's apple, and the last point that we have is in the center of your collarbone. Massage all these acupressure points for a minute. You can also strengthen your tongue muscles by rotating it. Do it 10 times in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Try it and you have a great day. Bye.